In this tutorial, I'll show you how to set up an outdoor lighting. Let's create a plane S to scale. Select the main node, and press Ctrl, Shift, and T together to add the PBR texture images. To use the Ctrl, Shift, T feature, we need to activate an add-on called the Node Wrangler. Ctrl 3 to subdivide. Let's set the render level to 3 as well. Right-click and shade Smooth to smooth the surface. I'll use the sky texture. I always put the intensity and strength to 0.1, and change the elevation to adjust the shadow length. Then test the direction of the shadow, by increasing the rotation to 90, 180, and 270 to pick the best light angle for the mesh. Let's turn off Use Nodes under Compositing. I'll also use 32 samples to render. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.